Hey, all you nerds. So, I was never gonna make a video like this to show people how to change out their magnets in a slider, but I see a lot of people on the groups saying that their magnets have flown out everywhere, and how do I fix the polarity? It's all messed up and stuff, and I keep seeing it, and I just want to have this video made so I can show you just how easy it is and just how simple, the whole process is. And then you, just like me, are probably going to feel like a complete idiot when you figure out how to do it and you're like, oh, okay. And don't worry about it. I felt like an idiot too. I had my Magnus dimple just explode on me. And I was up like way later than I should have been because I was just thinking about it and I couldn't handle it. That my brain somehow couldn't understand magnet polarity or something, and it fried my brain, and I spent way too much time thinking about it. And just trust me, once you see it's so easy. So first thing, if you've seen any of my other videos, I have like a metal steel plate that I use to do all this on. But hey, a lot of people don't have this, right? So you can still do it. Okay. Do you have a baking pan in your house? Cool. We're good to go. Do you have frying pan? If you don't have a baking pan, you'll be good to go. Do you have a stainless steel tool that they told you was stainless steel and you bought it and it seemed like a really good deal? It's probably not stainless steel, just like this. So, you're good to go. Do you have an old cookie tin or something like that? You're good to go. Do you have a metal ruler? You are good to go. And if you're like me, you have, cool chunks of metal lying around, all right? And you're also good to go. These are going to become more mod plates for you guys later. I will be doing more giveaways of those in the future. So, now that you have no excuses for a surface to do this on, in last resort, do you have a toaster? Do you have a fridge? That would look kind of weird, but it would also work. So this whole time, I haven't even had the screws in this thing, okay? They're right here. And you don't have to, this is not just for wraps, okay? This could be for magnets or any slider where you can change magnets out, okay? I just happen to only have wraps right now because they're the best slider. So I haven't had the screws in at all. These have just been, stuck to each other. And they're fine like that. They're not going to blow up. They're still sticking to each other. On there. It's fine. All right? So, first method, you don't even need it, right? You don't even need any plate to do it on. You can just take one side off and do what you need to do in there, right? Magnus has the little silicone rings in the slide plate, and Wrapped has, these are silicone or rubber spacers, right? To stop sound or make more sound, all right? So, you technically don't even really need it. You just need to keep track of your polarity, and you need to do one side at a time, right? So you can do that side with your magnets, and then you can take the other side off, and you're good to go. Let's get rid of these for now, for the demonstration. So that's probably one of the easiest ways to do it, right? And once you open it up, the polarity, you can keep track of it just by what the magnets are doing. So polarity is all the sides of the magnet sticks, right? So hopefully you have another stick of magnets to grab them with, or else it's going to be really hard. So get yourself some kind of other magnet to pull those other magnets out with. So the reason that this hasn't stuck anywhere yet is because I have the wrong side of the polarity, right? So that means I have the wrong side of this stick to use on this side of the slider. So I flip it around, and now it's sticking. So now I could take it out or, put other ones back in and stuff. I just have to remember that I'm on that side of the polarity, that side of the stick. And if you get it wrong, it's probably not going to let you do it. See? You're going to be like, oh, I can't get it into that hole, damn it. Right? Flip it around. Good to go. So just pay attention to the polarity, or the side of the stick you're doing. So what I find much easier is when you have a plate, and this is how Magnus is going to put all his sliders together, or Jonas Nix from Modus Works. They all have a surface that they put all of your sliders together on because it's just easier. So, polarity again, right? So this side is sticking to that one. Great. And this side is flipping over there. But for purposes of the video, I'm going to take everything out and show you how easy it is to get totally confused as to what polarity it is, what side I have, and what the hell is going on. And everything can be put back together very quickly. Okay, so it's all a mess now. Everything's exploded. I don't know which side is what. Who knows? Doesn't matter. So, you got your plates that hold the magnets. The wraps, you got to put the inserts in. Magnus will just have the inserts built into the plates. So, you start with one. And you start with one side, right? Forget about that for now. You're just going to go with one. And right now, it doesn't matter what side you use because either side is going to stick to your metal surface. Magnets don't care about that. So I started with that side, and the side I was using on the stick, I'm just going to put it face down like that. Then I'm going to grab the other one, because these have two different sizes of magnets. Now look, I go, that's not working. That's not working at all. But it's still going to let me put it there, because it's magnetizing to this. So that's a no-no. You have to check and make sure, especially with wraps where you're switching magnets and magnet sizes, easiest way to get confused, right? You think, oh, well, I just put that one in and they all stuck to that. So this stuck to this. So shouldn't I be good to go like that? No. You'll put it together and you'll find out. You'll find out the hard way and it won't be a very fun slider. So the trick is, if you go to this and you go, oh, it's not sticking, just flip it around. If the side you're using sticks to the magnets you already have in there, you have the right side. So that one's stuck in there, so I'm going to go like this. Now put that away. That's done. Grab this one. Okay, so now we got to be careful. Now we got to flip, okay? And if you already forgot, if you're like, oh, which side is what? I don't care. What side's what? I don't know. I have no idea anymore. Who knows? They're all everywhere, right? Doesn't matter. You can always check on the other one. So you go up to the other one, you go, oh, is it sticking to every single magnet on there? Yep, and that's the wrong side. Flip. Same thing. Grab this, check. Oh, it's sticking to that one. So I want to flip it around to the side where it doesn't stick. It's all repelled. And then you go ahead, and that will coincidentally also stick to this side. There, done. And if you want to do a quick little double check, be like, did I do all that right? Is it all working? And just grab your stack again, all right? Grab that, and flip it up, I don't care. I don't know what side's what now. There you go, check. Oh, that's repelling. Okay, good. Is it repelling from every single one of them? You can hold your magnets like that to kind of check, because if they stick, they're just going to go right down in. But I like to hold it like that, and you can just feel. And like, yeah, that's pushing off of every single one of those. So that side is all the same polarity. This side, you can check it with the same one, because you know now this is going to stick. Is it going to stick to every single one? Yep, stick, 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 stick. Yep, we're all good. So I did that all without even having them together like that. And then, you know, it's still all good. I don't have to put the screws back in. You guys get it. So there you go. I just wanted to have that video out here just to show you, you know, no more excuses. You guys all have what you need in your house. But I understand it's really nice to have pretty little plates like this. So that's why occasionally I come across these nice chunks of steel at work. And the welders are gracious enough to let me have some. So once I get some of these polished up, I'll be giving them away. All right, later, nerds. Have a good day.